Are you ready to take the leap into the world of cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? Well, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving and it can be tough to know where to put your money. But don't worry, we've done some of the research for you. Join us in our upcoming video where we'll be discussing the top coins you should be investing in for 2023. If you're interested in the world of cryptocurrency, make sure you join Crypto Paradize by subscribing now. We're going to keep you up to date on the latest developments and show you the incredible potential of crypto, so don't miss out. Welcome to our video on the top coins you must invest in for 2023. The world of cryptocurrency can be confusing and an overwhelming place, but with the right information, you can make smart investments that will pay off in the long run. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most promising coins in the market, from established players like Bitcoin all the way to up-and-coming projects like Cardano. We'll break down the key features and potential growth opportunities for each coin so you can make informed decisions based on where to put your money. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency investments together. Alright folks, let's talk about the granddaddy of them all, the one and only Bitcoin. Now I know you might be thinking, but wait, isn't Bitcoin too outdated and mainstream? And to that I say nay nay. You see, while there are coins that are more advanced, they don't have the same level of mainstream acceptance that Bitcoin does. In fact, Bitcoin is like the cool kid in school who's not only popular but also has a trust fund. It's the most valuable cryptocurrency out there and more businesses are starting to accept it as a form of payment. You can even buy a Tesla with it now, and let's be real, who doesn't want to own a Tesla? But the real beauty of Bitcoin is the decentralized nature. It's not controlled by any government or institution, making it a safe haven for those who don't trust the traditional financial system. It's like having your own offshore bank account without the risk of it getting arrested for tax evasion. And let's not forget about its historical performance as a store of value. It's been around for over a decade and has seen some crazy price fluctuations, but it's still here and still kicking. It's like that stock you bought in the 90s and forgot about, only to find out it's worth a fortune now. Everyone knows about Bitcoin, but what about Ethereum? It's time to talk about the little brother of Bitcoin, Ethereum. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, but wait, isn't Ethereum just a poor man's Bitcoin? And to that I say, hold your horses there. You see, while Ethereum may not have the same level of mainstream recognition, it's got something even stronger, a strong and active community of developers. Think of Ethereum like the nerdy kid in school who may not be popular but is a genius at coding. It's got smart contract capabilities allowing for all sorts of fancy things like decentralized apps, digital assets, and even non-fungible tokens, the digital cats that people are buying for millions of dollars. It's like having your own personal army of tech wizards at your disposal, and that's not even all Ethereum has to offer. It also has its potential use cases in various industries, from finance to healthcare. The possibilities are endless. It's like having a superhero utility belt, but instead of a batarang, you've got a smart contract. And let's not forget about its active developer community, working tirelessly to improve the Ethereum network and make it even more powerful. Sort of like having a group of loyal friends who are always there to help you out, whether you need a hand moving furniture or need to build a decentralized virtual world. Ethereum is also an obvious one, so what about some other altcoins? Well, first, if you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these, make sure you leave a like and join Crypto Paradize by subscribing. Alright folks, let's talk about the new kid on the block, Binance Coin. Now I know some of you may be thinking, but wait, isn't Binance Coin just a way for Binance to make more money? It kind of is, but hear me out. You see, Binance is the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchange out there, for good reason. It's got a strong track record, a user-friendly interface, and a wide variety of coins to trade. It's like having the coolest, most well-stocked convenience store in town, but Binance decided to take it one step further by creating its own native token, BNB. And let me tell you, it's been a wise decision. Binance Coin has seen significant growth over the past year and is expected to continue that trend in 2023. The benefits of holding BNB don't stop there. It also allows you to enjoy discounted trading fees on the Binance exchange. It's like getting a VIP card that gives you access to exclusive deals and discounts. But Binance doesn't just stop there, it also has a growing ecosystem and other services like margin trading, staking, and more. It's like having a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. And in addition, Binance also has a whole DeFi ecosystem with PancakeSwap being one of the most prominent projects on there. So go ahead and think about buying some Binance Coin. It may not be able to teleport you to the moon, but it can save you some cash on trading fees. These are all pretty old coins. What about some newer ones with better tech behind them? Let's talk about another nerdy but ambitious kid, Cardano. Now I know some of you might be thinking that Cardano is just another blockchain project, but you have no idea. You see, Cardano is one of the most promising projects in the crypto space, with a strong focus on security and sustainability. It's like having a superhero who not only fights crime but also saves the environment. One of the unique features of Cardano is its proof-of-stake algorithm, allowing for a more energy-efficient way of verifying transactions, like a car that runs on rainwater instead of gasoline. But that's not all Cardano has to offer. It also has smart contract capabilities, allowing for all sorts of fancy things like decentralized apps, digital assets, and more. Let's not forget about its active developer community, constantly working to improve the Cardano network and make it even more powerful, like having a group of loyal friends who are always there to help you out, whether you need to build a decentralized virtual world or save the planet. Cardano may not be as well known as other projects on here, but it is a solid choice for long-term growth and adoption. So go ahead and invest in Cardano. It may not be the most popular option, but it can do some pretty cool things like making the planet greener. What about an older coin with a proven track record other than BTC and Ethereum? Alright folks, it's time to talk about the older sibling of Bitcoin, Litecoin. Now I know some of you are asking the question in your head that Litecoin is just a copycat of Bitcoin, and it is, to be fair, but it is a pretty good copycat. See, Litecoin was created to address some of the limitations of Bitcoin, like slower transaction times and higher fees, sort of like having a sportier version of a classic car with a faster engine and better gas mileage. Litecoin has a similar structure to Bitcoin with an open source, decentralized platform and a finite total supply of 84 million coins. Another advantage of Litecoin over Bitcoin is the fast transactional times, making it a better option for day-to-day transactions. It's like having a super fast internet connection so you don't have to wait hours for a video to buffer. Let's not forget about lower fees compared to Bitcoin, which makes it more accessible for small transactions. In short, Litecoin may not be as shiny and popular as Bitcoin, but it's got a lot of hidden talents to make it a solid investment for the long run. So consider investing in Litecoin. It certainly has some benefits to it. All of these coins are decentralized and unregulated, but what if I told you there's a coin that has partnerships with most banks in the world? Let's talk about the Wall Street favorite, Ripple. You see, Ripple is a digital asset primarily used for facilitating cross-border payments. It's like having a digital version of a traveler's check, but with lower fees and faster transaction times. One of the major advantages of Ripple is that it has partnerships with most major financial institutions like Santander, American Express, and more. Can a project really ever fail with partnerships like that? But that's not all Express has to offer. It also has its own blockchain called XRP Ledger, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions than traditional payment methods. It's like having a private jet to fly you to your destination instead of a commercial flight. Ripple has been gaining traction in the remittance market, providing a cheaper and faster way for people to send money to their loved ones across borders. It also lets you transfer huge amounts of money instantly with fees that are neglectable considering the amount. Ripple may not be as flashy as other coins out there, but it is a solid investment with real-world benefits. So go ahead and try out Ripple. It can certainly transfer your money faster and cheaper. So what have we learned in this video? Well, Bitcoin is the most valuable and widely accepted cryptocurrency with a decentralized nature and history of growth as a store of value. Ethereum has smart contract capabilities and strong developer communities with potential use cases in various industries. Binance Coin is a native token of the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance, with benefits like discounted trading fees and a growing ecosystem. Cardano is a promising project with a focus on security and sustainability and a unique proof-of-stake algorithm, as well as smart contract capabilities. Litecoin is similar to Bitcoin but addresses limitations like slower transaction times and higher fees, and Ripple is a digital asset primarily used for facilitating cross-border payments with major partnerships. Now that you know what coins to invest in for 2023, it's equally important to know which coins to avoid. We'll show you that in this video. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, join Crypto Paradise by subscribing now.